We'll guide you through how to archive or unarchive all WhatsApp chats and conversations. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So, for whatever reason, you want to either archive them all or unarchive them all. Perhaps they've already been archived, some of them, and you want to unarchive them all, or you just want a fresh start and want to archive all of these. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. We're going to start here by archiving all of these and then show you how you can unarchive all archive chats. So come onto WhatsApp and come to chats in the bottom left here. Now what you can do is tap and hold any chat like so. Of course it doesn't matter because we're going to be archiving them all. With one selected, you want to go to the top right, you're going to see these options appear and you can press the three dots. Go down the list and find the option for select all, like so. Now with them all selected, you want to go to the top right and go and find this button here, box and arrow pointing down, and this is the archive button. So you can tap there and now they've all been archived. So now when it comes to unarchiving all archive chats, if you haven't gone and archived them all, you need to go and drag down to go and reveal the archived option. So drag right down like so, and it'll be at the top. Then you can press archived. Now you go and see all the archive chats. You can scroll through here, but to then go and unarchive them all, tap and hold on any of them. It doesn't matter as we're doing this for all. Then tap the three dots in the top right and go down and you can press select all. Now you can go look in the top right and you've got the box icon, the arrow pointing up. Tap on it and now they're all unarchived. As you can see, that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the next how-to. If you have any suggestions, feel free to put them down below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.